morning everyone. My name is Ritesh and today we'll discuss the current affairs topic, and today's topic is sweet revolution, right? So this is related to the honey cultivation and all. So this is termed as sweet revolution. Now let us understand this topic first and also the overview of this topic, what we'll discuss. First we'll discuss why this particular thing was in news. Then we'll discuss what is actually sweet revolution. Then the key points of sweet revolution and the abouts and background of the whole policy of the government. And then we will talk about KVIC, right? So Khadi and Village Industries Commission, because this this commission has launched the sweet revolution actually. So that is why we will discuss that thing too. So let us start the topic. So recently, the Khadi and Village Industries Commission, KVIC, launched country's first mobile honey processing van at village in Uttar Pradesh. Now again, this is a very factual news, right? So you have to remember this thing that KVIC has launched, right? First thing. Then it is first mobile honey processing van, right? Then you'll have to remember where in UP. So this is three questions can be formed from this point as well, right? So this remember KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission, then mobile processing honey processing van at UP. This is the first one. That is why you have to remember this. Then this process beekeepers honey at their doorsteps. Now this mobile honey processing van, it will process beekeepers honey at their doorsteps. They don't have to go anywhere. The beekeepers don't have to go anywhere. This van will go to their doorstep and process all the honey and go with it. So this is a very simple and easy technique for them, and it will be very useful for these beekeepers as well, right? And this initiative is taken in persons of sweet revolution, right? Sweet Kranti, right? Now let us talk about the key points of this news. First, the transportation of honey to processing plants is an expensive affair for small farmers and beekeepers. Now, the transportation of, for beekeepers, transportation of honey to processing plants is a very expensive affair. Now, after the coming of this mobile honey processing van, it will be easier. So, it will eliminate first thing, right? Second is, a majority of beekeepers would sell their raw honey to the agent at their farm themselves at a very low price, right? Because they don't want to go anywhere. That is why they'll sell their raw honey to their agents at a very low price. Now this will, if this policy work, if this thing works, mobile processing van, then they'll get a good money for that honey, and even the problem will be solved because they don't have to go anywhere, because that van will go to their doorstep as well, right? And for that they'll also get good money, right? Then the processing van will reduce the honey extraction and processing cost. Now again, it will solve the process of honey extraction and the processing costs that are involved in this whole process, right? Then this will also eliminate any scope for adulteration by beekeepers, right? Beekeepers won't adulterate the honey, because the mobile processing van will come to at their doorstep and do all the things that is necessary for them, right? Then let's talk about this whereabouts of the mission. So it is an initiative for promoting apiculture. Apiculture is known as beekeeping, is known as apiculture. So remember apiculture, right? It is related to beekeeping. Then National Beekeeping and Honey Mission in 2020 under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. This initiative comes under the National Beekeeping and Honey Mission in 2020. It aims to accelerate the production of honey quality. Obviously, it aims to increase the production of quality production, basically, of honey, right? Now, under Honey Mission, Khadi and Village Industries Commission provides the farmers or beekeepers practical training, acquaintance with apicultural equipment. Now the beekeepers won't have the proper knowledge or the all the scientific temperament. So this commission will introduce all these things to them, those beekeepers as well. Again, this will benefit those beekeepers. Now it will also prevent diseases or loss of bee colonies. There are lots of bee colonies that have been lost because of these things. So this whole thing will cover all these things as well, so that there'll be no disease in those kind of things, and there's no loss of bee colonies over there, right? Then it will double farmers' income and generate employment. Obviously, it is a very new initiative which will actually increase the income of these beekeepers, right? And it will also generate employment because the whole process will take more manpower, right? Then let's discuss the Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Again, this is a very small topic, so just understand. This is a very factual topic. So read all these things. So now the Khadi and Village Industries Commission is a statutory body established under the Khadi and Village Industries Commission Act 1956. It functions under the Ministry of MSME, right? And the Honey Mission was launched by KVIC during 2017-18. These three things you have to remember, right? So this was all about this whole topic. This is a very short topic. Again, I'll discuss this thing, that what are the points to remember for your exam. First thing, that remember KVIC. What is KVIC? First, mobile processing van, then UP, right? Then Sweet Kranti, that's it. Then the key points are there only for you to remember all these things. These are again comprehension wala part, right? Then just remember this National Beekeeping and Honey Mission 2020, under which ministry? So Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Apiculture is beekeeping, right? Then remember KVIC, what it is. KVIC is a statutory body. Then it functions under which ministry? MSME. And Honey Mission was launched by KVIC during which year? So 2017-18. So these are the points that you have to remember. That's it, right? So that's all about this topic. Thank you so much.